This world feels heavy, the nights run long. We're all still trying, finding our way. Your heart's still beating, you can endure. Each step you're taking is moving you forward.
Days keep moving, the seasons turn. Each step we take is a chance to learn. There's always a way when we choose to see the strength inside who we're meant to be.
Every day holds a choice we can make.
We can choose the way we walk from here. Lift up your eyes to skies wide and open, to the first light of morning.
If you choose to see beyond the storm, you can build a world you can call your own. This is where your life moves from here on.
We're more than the storms we've been through. Every tomorrow holds something true. If we hold on to hope and refuse to fall, we can rise above and walk from here on. Lift up your eyes, the wide skies open. Feel the first light of morning breaking. When you choose to see beyond the storm, you can shape the world you've dreamed of. This is where your heart finds its way. There's power in each new step you take. There's light in the new choice you make. The darkest night will still meet the dawn, and the path ahead will carry you on. We will rise to the call, we will stand through it all. We will shine in the light, we'll take our place. Lift up your eyes, the skies are open. Feel the first light of morning. We choose to see beyond the storm. Build the life we've dreamed from here on. We keep moving strong.
Every day holds a choice we can make. Now we walk the way we've chosen here.
From here on, we will go.